Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make your object or character talk in Alice 3. So to do that, this is how your screen is going to look like when you first start Alice. Uh, Now to choose a new template, I'll go to File, New, and then let's choose Room. So I'm going to have that background. Click on Setup Scene, and here you will see all the different characters or objects that you can choose. So object is basically your character. Now if I click on all classes, uh, classes basically means type. So byped classes consists type of objects that has two hands and two legs. Flyer classes contain objects that has two wings. So basically classes means type of objects. Okay, so I'm going to click on byped class and I'm gonna choose drag this child object over here. When that happens, it's gonna ask you how you want to portray that character. So I'm gonna let's make a face like this, and I will uh, choose a male, and for the hair let's choose this style and we'll make him a blonde, and for the outfit let's choose this outfit. Okay, and hit OK. This is the name of your object, child person. I'm gonna hit OK, and this is how he looks like. So he is very far away, so I'm gonna bring him closer by dragging him and moving him forward. So in my laptop, I'm just left clicking on my mouse, and then I'm holding him and bringing him forward. So let's bring him even closer so that we can look at his mouth, and we're gonna make him big. So I'll click on resize and then click on this arrow, you know, left click on this arrow, and then make him look bigger. And if you click on default and left click on the mouse, you can move him back and forth. Okay, so let's bring him forward. So now that's a good view. Click on edit code to go back to your code editor. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make him talk. So to do that, you have to click on your object's subpart, and here the subpart is going to be its mouth. So I'm going to click on this drop down arrow over here, choose the object, click on this arrow, and these are all the subparts of this child person, which is basically my object. So I'm going to choose its mouth. That's one of its subpart that I'm trying to move, and these are all the procedures that your your mouth object can do, right? So procedures are basically things that your object can perform. So I'm going to drag this get mouth procedure and put it over here, and then it's going to ask me how I want to move I want to move the object's mouth, right? So again, if I show this to you, if I drag this, so basically this means that this turn procedure is gonna turn the object's mouth. So I'll just drag it over here, and I'm going to say I want this to move forward, and I want it to move it by this much. So these are basically arguments. And arguments are things by which the procedure needs to complete its action. So I'm going to choose 2. I'm going to drag this again, and this time I'm going to choose forward 4. Now if I hit run, you can see how your object is moving its mouth. If I restart it, that's how it moves its mouth. Okay, so I can keep on making it talk by bringing in this control statement. or this control structure. So, and choose 3. So basically here I'm saying that count up to 3, which means, and if I drag all these inside, now it basically means that I want all these procedures to happen for 3 times. So this whole block, count up to 3 and then loop it for 3, is my control structure. So control structure basically tells us how in which order and how many times your procedures will perform its action. Okay, so if I click on run right now, you can see that it's going to do this for 3 times. So that's a quick overview of how you can make your object talk. Now if you want to record your own voice, then you have to initialize an event listener. Okay, so which means that when you run this, when some event happens, it's going to listen for that event, and then your all these procedures are going to start. So to do that, you're going to come over here and you will say scene activation time, add event listener. Okay, and then you will drag this audio source because you want your character to talk, and import audio. Okay, so from here you can choose whatever whatever audio you want your character to play. So I already pre-recorded one of my voice recordings. So if I go to desktop, go all the way down, I already recorded something in my computer. So I'm gonna choose this, and now if I run my code, let's see what happens. Hello everybody. Thanks for learning Java programming. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay, so that's kind of like if I restart it, does the
Hello
same thing.
everybody. Thanks for learning Java programming. I hope you will enjoy it.
Okay, so that's a quick overview of how we can make objects talk in Alice. Now notice like my timing needs to be fixed over here, so that when I'm running this uh, when I'm running
Hello
this,
everybody. Thanks for
the
learning
my
Java
recording
programming.
and the movement
I hope
matches.
you will enjoy it.
Okay, so hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.